Mitsubishi Fuso is the brand new.
Yeah,
What year?
1990.
1990. Good time there. Right problem. 8DCD 11. Okay. Okay. Until 4 minutes.
4 minutes pa?
Okay. Okay. More and more. Yellow zip loader from Adfield Corporation. Yellow zip loader. Oh. Hmm. From what year?
1990.
1990. Okay. Fuso 8DC11 from 9 1990. 8DC11. Okay. Brand new zip loader Fuso. Good time there. Good time there. Is the Fuso. Right problem. Good time there. Mitsubishi Fuso 8DC11. Right problem. Good time there. Right problem. Is the Fuso. No choice. Year 1990. Okay. Good time there. Right problem. Okay. Fuso 8DC11. Right problem. 8DC11 color yellow zip loader. Good time there. Okay. Good time there. Fuso 8DC11. Zip loader. No choice. Good time there. Good. Zip loader truck. Fuso 8DC11. Okay. Right problem. Okay. Yellow zip loader. Okay. Right problem. Mitsubishi Fuso 8DC11. Yellow zip loader. Okay. Good time there. Good time there. Adfield Corporation. New zip loader truck. Is the Fuso. 8DC11. Okay. Good time there. Good time there. Right problem. Is the Fuso. Good time there. Okay. Fuso 8DC11. Good time there. No choice. Okay. Good time there. Until 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. No choice. All. Fuso 8DC11. Right problem. Good time there. Okay. No choice. Is the Fuso. Year of 1990. Okay. Mitsubishi Fuso 8DC11 truck. Okay. Good time there. Okay. No choice. Right problem. Okay. Good time there. Okay. Adfield Corporation. Mitsubishi Fuso is the yellow. Okay, good tender. Fuso, it is 11. Okay, good tender. Right problem. 8 is 11. Okay. Good tender. Right problem. Okay. Okay. Yellow zip loader.
No choice.
No choice. Good.
1990.
Year of 1990. Good tender. Okay. Okay. 5, 40, 20, and go.